Welcome. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to simplify an inverse trig function using a right triangle. So we're going to look at two examples. The first example we're going to look at looks like this. So we're going to simplify this expression. So first we're going to draw we're going to draw a right triangle. We're going to say that y is our angle. We know that sine from SOHCAHTOA says that sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. That means that opposite is 3x, and you can say over 1, so that would be 1. And then to find this one, the adjacent, we're gonna need to do the Pythagorean theorem. So it's gonna, that says that 3x squared plus b equals 1. Then we can solve for b, and we can get 1 minus 9x squared. So then that means that this here is going to be 1 minus 9x squared. So now this expression is going to be like this. Is equal to, remember, cosine is SOHCAHTOA, adjacent over hypotenuse. That means that that is equal to adjacent, which is equal to 1 over minus 9x squared all over hypotenuse, which is 1. And that should be our answer. Now let's look at our second example. Second example says that tangent of ARCSEC of x over 4. Once again, we're going to draw our right triangle. Remember, this is 90 and this is our y. That means, and secant is the opposite of cosine. So cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. That means that x equals our hypotenuse because it's the opposite. So it will be x here, and adjacent will be 4. I'm sorry. Okay, so is secant is equal to hypotenuse over adjacent. That means that this is hypotenuse is x, and then adjacent equals 4. And once again, we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem to find, so it will be 4 squared plus b squared equals x squared. That means that b is equal to 4 squared or x squared minus 4 squared. And that's equal to x squared minus 16. So that means that this here is equal to x squared minus 16. Let's erase this. Now to find our answer, remember that tangent is equal to opposite over adjacent. So opposite over adjacent. So that's gonna equal to opposite x squared minus 16 over adjacent, which is 4. And that should be our answer. So notice, first we draw the right triangle, we solve for each side, and then we come up with the final solution by using SOHCAHTOA, or the rules of sine, cosine, and tangent. Thank you very much. That's all I wanted to teach you on this video.